पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में। Hello everyone, I am the Earth, beautiful and healthier Earth 1950.
डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दे, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दे, गाना चला दे। Hi everyone, I am your beloved Earth, Earth of 2020, the most developer.
Oh no, who is she? Why she is coughing continuously?
Earth of 2020.
Earth of 2020? Me. I am the Earth of 1950.
Huh? Earth of 1950. That's why you look so old-fashioned.
I am far better than you. Look at yourself. You feel with pollution due to which your color turned black.
You know how smart am I? Today's people have everything. Computers, mobiles, technology. Huh? What was with you? Nothing.
In my period, peace, greenery, non-violence, cleanliness and more important, healthy and pollution-free environment. But what is so important in your growth? Development, influencing global warming, huh? You say this is growth?
Yes, it is growth. In 70 years, the growth is increased up to 400%. And today, Earth is most developer.
Wait, I will show you what was there in my period.
मेरे देश की धरती ओ, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती. Hello, can you hear me? I am in and feeling very happy. Is the food ready?
Yeah, it's ready. How was your day?
Good. What have you prepared today?
मक्के की रोटी सरसों का साग छाछ.
Wow, very delicious food. Thank you. Dear, now I am feeling very sleepy. Please bring my blanket and pillow. Thank you God for everything.
See, this was my period when everyone used to eat enough healthy food and had peaceful sleep. You people are suffering of malnutrition in your diet. The food you eat is full of pesticides and chemical fertilizer, which has increased the ratio of various diseases.
What peaceful sleep? Huh? People sleep peacefully today also in 2020 and they are rather happy. Come, I shall show you my period.
Okay, let's see.
Hi friend, how are you?
I am fine. Where were you these days?
Yeah, I was at home only. Anyways, I came to know that you bought a new car.
Yes, babe, I bought a new car named Mercedes-Benz G550.
Oh wow, Mercedes-Benz G550. But what about its mileage?
Oh, leave it here. Here who bothers about mileage? I just enjoyed features and the ride.
But friend, what about the pollution then? The environment get polluted due to the smoke emitted by the vehicles.
Oh, come on dear. No one care about pollution and more about environment these days. Let's come, enjoy the ride.
See dear friends, this is how people themselves are becoming the major reason for the polluting in the air in your period. Now let's see, during our age we are worried about purification of air, healthy breathing air.
What are you doing, dear friend?
Lakshmi, I am planting a tree and this I do every year on my birthday and today is my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, dear. That's great to plant a tree. But why do you do so?
Dear, do you know that on an average, one tree produces nearly 118 kilograms of oxygen each year and two mature trees can provide enough oxygen for a family of 4.
Oh, is this the real fact? Then from now onwards, I will also definitely plant a tree on my birthday so we can get enough supply of oxygen throughout the year.
Grow more trees and help in purification of air.
Did you see? During my period, how much did people care for environment? But in your period, people just cut down the trees.
1 second, 1 second. Trees we are planting and with them we make a new things. See our lifestyles, how happy we are. Oh, ouch, Uma.
What happened?
Nothing, mosquitoes are biting.
No, it's not mosquitoes. People are cutting tree. That's why you feel in pain.
No matter dear, this is our lifestyle. See, now I am getting very angry. And why are you worried about us? People are doing their work. How does it affect us? Our earth keeps on rotating 24 hours. That's it. Come, let's see how people are satisfied with their lifestyle.
Okay. I will call you later.
Sir.
Hello, Mr. Mehta. I heard you had been to Bangalore.
Yeah, that's true, Mr. Roy. Had been to Bangalore to conduct a seminar on sustainability of cleanness.
Oh yes, I read about it. But Mr. Mehta, what to do with the sustainability of the cleanness? Take it, Mr. Mehta. Please have it.
Thank you, Mr. Roy. Don't do anything, Mr. Roy. Just keep on reading such articles and enjoy the fame we earn through it. Who cares here about environment? Mr. Roy, see what I have brought for you from Bangalore.
What is this, Mr. Mehta? Oh wow, it's coconut cookie. It's my favorite. Thank you, Mr. Mehta. Who cares about your environment?
Who cares here cleanness?
Who cares about your environment?
Who cares here cleanness?
This is how people even pollute water on the earth. Did you any time think about your future?
What's there to think? I know very well.
Wait, I will show you the real image of your future.
Who are you?
I am your future. The earth in 2050.
What happened to you?
I am dying. Because of you people. The way you pollute the environment and disturb the entire ecosystem through various sinful activities. Today, ultimately, I am going to be your future. And I am dying. Because of you people.
No, I don't want to die. No, I don't want to die. Please save me. I don't want to die.
If you don't understand now, this will be your future. By polluting environment, you may lead satisfied life, but you can't live a healthy life. And dear friends, without good health, you will die of suffocation.
So friends, let's come and work together and save our environment and ecosystem from getting polluted.
Save our environment and you will save the life and future. Healthy environment is life, pollution is death.
Earth is the only livable planet. Please save it.
Save her from danger zone.
Plant saplings, save a
nurture the nature to save the environment.
The earth does not belong to us, we belong to earth.
Plant a sapling, protect as your sibling.
Myself, Rohan Singh from Standard 11th VRB. I act as a businessman.
Myself, Sujal, I am studying in 11th VRB. I act as businessman.
Myself, Hussein, I am from Standard 11th. I act as a farmer.
I am Nandini Singh from Standard 11th. I acted as a girl of 1950.
I am Vidhi Gohil from Standard 11. I act as the Earth of 1950.
I am Simran Solanki from Standard 11. I act as the Earth of 2050.
I am Niti Patel, studying in Standard 11th. I act as the Earth of 2020.
I am Ayusha Dayani. I am from Standard 11th. I act as a girl of 2020.
I am Anmol Chudasma. I am studying in 11th standard. I act as a girl of 1950.
I am Sanjana Singh, student of Standard 11th. I act as a girl of 2020s.
I am Samiksha Prajapati from 11th standard. I act as a farmer's wife. Thank you.